Hey, good afternoon, guys. Well, I'm gonna stand here behind the MX255. Well, it's over my back shoulder. Anyway, we're gonna back this tractor out and got a little surprise for you. What's going on? So this is gonna be a three-part video, and we'll see what happens here. Hang on. So we're gonna go ahead and back it out. And I want to show you what the camera here sees here in a minute. Okay, there's the camera on the back of the baler. We're gonna go ahead and back this thing out. We got a skid loader pickup back here and a ag bag. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and fold it up here, the bale chute. Just use my hand here. This will make it a little smaller to back it back in. Before I put it back in, I want to sweep the floor and everything else so I can work underneath it here a little bit. I got a couple little jobs to do. I love the sound of that case. Did a little bit more dirt work here to make some more room for more silage. So I got a couple triaxles coming here. We're going to scoop up the topsoil. We're down to the rock bed and then put down a fine layer of stone dust. Okay, we got her backed in here now. So I'm going to go ahead and hook at things and get ready to do our next project. I got the PTO shaft off, the pin pulled out. I do have some maintenance to do here, so I want it on the concrete cleaned up, everything swept up here nicely, so hang on. Okay, everything's unhooked and put in its right place for now. It'll stay nice and dry in here and the tractor's free to go. I'm gonna go down and give it a quick wash and get ready to go again. As you can see, we still have a camera on the tractor, so when we're backing up and doing other jobs, we can see what we're doing. I'll show you. The camera's going. There, you can see the baler's left there. Okay, we gave her a quick bath. Cleaned her up a little bit here. And we'll take her out back and move some tractors around. 2018 corn silage harvest is getting ready to start.